Hi there, I'm Amisha Saini, pursuing BCA from Poddar International College, and I'm proud to share that I have secured rank first in Rajasthan University examination. I'm incredibly proud to be a part of this college. Academically, this place is outstanding. The research opportunities here are exceptional, with state-of-art labs and teachers who truly encourage you to explore new frontiers of knowledge. Whether you're diving deep into research or working on an exciting project, the academic environment is supportive and dynamic. Trust me, the college is highly entrepreneurial. If you have got an idea, there are endless opportunities to innovate and bring it to life. And it's not just about academics, the campus life is vibrant and full of energy. There's always something happening, from student clubs and events to our grand cultural fest Manthan. In short, this college offers a perfect balance of academic excellence and personal growth. I couldn't have asked a better place to learn and thrive. I can say that Poddar is one of the best colleges we have, and I'm proud to be a Poddarite.
Poddar Group of Institutions